President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. conducted an aerial inspection of flooded areas in Bulacan and Pampanga with Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon. He saw the extent of the damage left by the recent typhoons and the enhanced southwest monsoon.
Ang problema, kitang-kita, siyempre alam naman natin na marami sa halimbawa sa Bulacan na mga flood control na hindi naman nagawa kaya nagkakaganto. Ngunit kailangan din natin maunawaan na hindi lang dahil sa problema ng flood control project, kung hindi pati na sa lakas talaga ng ulan na hindi pa natin nakita sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Ito ay ang naging resulta ng climate change.
To better assess the situation in Central Luzon, the President led a situation briefing at the Pampanga provincial capital. He met with local government officials from Region 3. Also present were members of his cabinet who provided updates on the government's response efforts in the area. President Marcos Jr. also laid out long-term flood solutions, including the construction of Sabo River dams that could help slow the flow of water from the Sierra Madre Mountains and neighboring provinces, while also allowing the stored water to be used for household and agricultural purposes. He also said road dikes will be built in areas near Manila Bay to help block the entry of water from the said body of water. The President also said the government continues to provide the basic needs of affected residents.
I'm satisfied that yung immediate needs ng tao, yung kanilang pagkain, yung kanilang shelter, yung kanilang yung healthcare na dala ng pamahalaan ng national government ay nandyan lahat. Hindi naman tayo nauubusan ng gamit, hindi naman tayo nauubusan ng tulong. At patuloy yan hanggat nangangailangan yung tao, binibigyan natin silang lahat ng mga kanilang pangangailangan.
According to DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon, they are now focused on repairing non-operational pumping stations and flood control projects that were damaged or disrupted by the flooding.
Magsisimula na tayo itong mga susunod na buwan kasi in the process pa na kinukuha pa yung mga clearances sa Commission on Audit dahil nga subject ng mga investigasyon to. Pero no cost to government yun. Kailangan gawin yung lahat ng, I don't think lumampas na yung warranty periods niya.
Pampanga Governor Lilia Pineda, for her part, hopes the President's visit will bring greater attention to the province's long-standing flooding problem and help address it.
Nananawagan ako sa ating mga kababayan hanggang ngayon, lubog, na talagang hindi bumababa yung tubig. Nagpunta po si President Marcos dito at talagang binigyan naman tayo ng pag-asa. Ang gusto niya, yung long-term plan.
The President said he will continue to monitor the situation in affected areas in Central Luzon, adding that the government will do everything it can to mitigate the impact of heavy rains and flooding. From San Fernando, Pampanga, Carlo Candelaria for The Nation.